Watch this video and learn how to draw the sun. Later on, Artie receives a call from his friend Quackers. And watch to the end for a poem from Louie. Get ready, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Do you know what you want to draw today?
No, I don't know.
Now that spring is here, why don't we draw the sun?
Oh, that's gonna be really good. Okay, I'll go get my marker.
Oh, hello everyone.
Happy day, Artie and friends.
Hoppy day, I get it, Bunny. Do you have everything you need, Artie?
Yeah, I have everything ready. I can begin.
Well then, let's begin.
Okay, here we go.
Let's start by drawing a big circle right in the middle of the page. Now, sometimes it's much easier to draw a big circle in sections rather than trying to do it all in one go. So draw a little bit at a time until you have a complete circle. Sometimes Artie tries to draw a circle in one go, but it comes out sort of egg-shaped. Well, that doesn't matter. There are no rules in art. You could draw an egg-shaped sun if you want to. It's looking good, Artie. Little artists, if Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a special message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's draw a pair of sunglasses right in the middle of our sun's face. Let's draw the left side first. That's it, Artie.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now let's draw the right side and try and make it match what you drew on the left as much as you can. Very good. Now we're going to draw an outline around those two shapes. Try and copy the original shape as closely as you can.
Hey, Artie, what are you doing? Oh, it makes me want to sing.
Oh, Barry. Gosh, he always insists on singing. Oh, these sunglasses are really taking shape, Artie. They look awesome. You know, Artie, the sun is very bright with all that sunshine. Do you think he wears sunglasses?
No. No.
Oh, okay. I guess that was a silly thing to say. Let's shade in the sunglasses completely black. Or you could say, we'll shade in the shades.
Oh, no.
Yes, that wasn't a very good joke. I'll leave the jokes to Mikey Marker.
Can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
You'll see soon, guys. Just be patient. I was just thinking, Artie, we haven't heard from your friend Quackers the Duck in a long time, have we?
No.
I wonder what he's up to.
Oh, felt time. Oh. Somebody's calling. Quackers, my favorite art-loving duck. How are you today?
Artie, my friend, I am simply quacktastic. And let me just say, your workplace in itself is a masterpiece. Love the creative vibes.
Thanks, Quackers. I'm actually in the middle of a drawing. What about you? What artistic adventures have you been up to?
Let me just tell you, I waddled in front of the QHQ through the most inspiring pondside scene. The reflections, the ripples, the cattails swaying in the breeze. Pure art, my friend.
That sounds amazing. Did you paint it?
Oh, you bet your paintbrush I did. I call it Duck Impressionism, Ripple Reflections. Oh, Artie, the blues and the greens practically quack off the canvas.
That sounds so cool. I've been thinking about drawing something inspired by nature too. Maybe a duck.
A duck? Oh, be still, my feathers. Artie, we could collaborate. My pond painting and your duck drawing. We could call it Artful Quackers.
I love that idea. But Quackers, how do you always come up with such fun names for your art?
Artie, it's about letting your imagination quack free.
Thanks, Quackers.
Anytime, Artie. Keep creating, keep dreaming, and make sure to keep quacking. See you on the flip side.
Bye-bye, Quackers.
Artie's having so much fun.
Yes, he really is.
Yeah.
Well, that was nice to hear from Quackers, and what a coincidence when we were just talking about him, and then he called.
Yeah.
Oh, that smiley mouth looks really good, Artie. That's a very good addition. Coming up, don't miss Louie's Poetry Corner. Oh, that's funny, Artie. I like how you added a tongue. Should we start now with the sun's rays?
Yeah.
Let's draw a triangle coming out of the sun's head.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Now add another triangle, Artie, just to the left of the first one that you drew. Oh, and then draw a small triangle in that little space that you left. Let's do the same again on the left side. A big triangle and then a little one.
Oh, that music sounds nice. Oh no, that's Painty's music.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. There's green paint everywhere around here. I'm going to go and get my cloth, Artie, and clean it up. You keep drawing those rays coming from the sun. I'll just be over here. Hold on. This won't take a minute, Artie. I'm just cleaning this. Okay, I've got it. All right, I cleaned it all up.
Artie!
Yeah?
Have you seen my carrot anywhere?
No.
Must be around here somewhere. All right, I'll keep looking. Bye.
That's funny. How do you lose a carrot? We've got to go all the way around the sun's face with these triangles. It's going to take a little bit of patience. It looks like it's going to be nice and sunny this afternoon, Artie. After we've done the drawing, we can go and sit outside for a while and catch some sun.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. And we'll bring Bunny with us. In fact, maybe that's where she left her carrot, out in the backyard. Oh, it looks like Louie's getting ready for Poetry Corner. This is going to be fun.
Her forehead doesn't even move anymore. I mean, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem about playing outside. Okay, here we go. The sun is out, the sky is bright. Let's run and play with all our might. Hop like bunnies climb a tree, laugh and spin so wild and free. The world's a playground, big and wide. Let's have some fun. Come on, outside. Well, that was marvellous, darling.
Oh, thanks for that, Louis, and how kind of you to come up with a poem that matches our drawing today. Thank you. Keep going around the sun's face, Artie, with the triangles. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it'll be worth it when it's finished.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, Barry. Maybe next time you'll hit that note. One last triangle, Artie. That's it, well done. Very patient. Now let's draw some rays of sunlight coming from the tips of the triangles. You know, Artie, it looks like our sun has the same hairstyle as you.
Very funny.
I love these lines, Artie. It really adds energy to the drawing. It makes it seem that the sun is really beaming out rays of light to us. Well, it looks to me like you're more or less finished.
I finished.
Oh, it looks wonderful, Artie. What a great job.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. But it needs color.
Yes, it does.
Let's color it in. Yeah.
It's coloring time!
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, what a great job. It looks so artistic.
Yeah, Artie is very arty.
Yes, you are.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.